Hello students, I am Bika sir. In this video lesson, I am going to deal with a very complex part of voice change. That is voice change of infinitive structures. There are different structures that require different treatment. So I am going to discuss 7 different patterns of infinitive structures in this video lesson. And if you go through this video lesson till the end, I think you will be able to understand the difference between the structures and how you can turn them from active to passive voice. First, let us discuss about infinitive. What is an infinitive? An infinitive is the form of verb with the preposition to plus the root form of the verb. That is, we call them infinitive. Examples: to be, to go, to read. It is a non-finite verb. That is the quality of infinitive. It is non-finite verb. It cannot be used alone in a sentence as a main verb. It denotes incomplete action. Sometimes it denotes purpose. Simple infinitives: to read, that is in active, and to be read, that is in passive. Those are simple infinitive forms. Perfect form: to have done in active, to have been done in the passive. So there are four forms of infinitive. Now I go directly to the first pattern of the voice change with the infinitive. Pattern 1. With verbs such as be, have, need, require plus object. There is subject, be, have, need or require. After that there is object or noun plus infinitive, to plus verb. There is nothing else in the sentence, given sentence, in the active voice. Rule: what you need to do. First, you do not change the subject. You have to put the subject in place. Then you have to use the verb of those verbs, be verb or have verb or need or require. Then object or noun that is given to you in the active voice, you have to put as it is. Then to be plus passive of the infinitive or third form of the main verb given with to. Look at the examples. There is no time to waste. There is be verb. After that there is noun and there is infinitive, simple infinitive. We have to turn them into passive. Look how we can turn them. We do not change anything, but only the infinitive part of the sentence is changed into passive. To be wasted. You have to follow the rule. First subject, then verb, then object. What is given to you? Old means what is given to you. Then to be, and then the third form or the passive form of the infinitive verb. He has many children to feed. This is in active voice. He has many children to be fed. The same process. This is pattern 1. You must remember the verbs and the rule. Now we go to the second pattern. Pattern 2. With verbs such as be, have, need, require. Infinitive. After infinitive there is object. In the first pattern there was nothing after the infinitive. But here we find an object after the infinitive form given to you. Now rule: first you bring the object. You may have to change the form of the object. Then verb as it is, do not change the verb. Then to be. Then third form of the infinitive plus by plus subject. Examples: he needs to do this. This is active voice. You bring the object at the beginning of the sentence. You do not change the verb, and then you change the infinitive into passive. and then you use by and subject, change form of the subject. He has to write a letter. A letter has to be written by him. Now, pattern 3. With verbs such as need, require, like, love, wish, want, plus object. Subject plus those verbs plus object plus infinitive. Plus object, to, or noun. Object may be noun or pronoun. So we find there are two objects. First, after those verbs and after infinitive. What do we do? Rule: subject, verb, object to. Object to comes after the main verb of those verbs. Then to be, third form of infinitive, by plus object one. Object one is placed at the end of the sentence. Examples: he wants me to write an essay. Look at the structure, it is very important. Subject plus one of those verbs, want, then there is object, me, then infinitive, and then another object. That object is of infinitive. An essay is the object of infinitive to write. Second object. We bring second object before the infinitive. He wants an essay to be written by me. So we change the part of the infinitive and then by, then the first object. That is passive. Now, pattern 4. With verbs like command, request, advise, invite, order, tell, ask, make, force, compel, plus object. With these verbs, an object plus infinitive. Rule: first you use the object passive of the main verb. Here, we do not change the infinitive. We change the main verb plus infinitive plus by plus subject. Here, infinitive is not changed with these verbs. Remember that. Examples: he invited me to dance. I was invited to dance by him. You may not use by him in some cases. We advised him to read. He was advised to read by us. Now, pattern 5. With verbs like command, request, advise, invite, order, tell, ask, make, force, and compel. Object, first object, then infinitive plus object, that is second object. There are two objects. In pattern 4, there was only one object. Object plus passive form of the main verb plus infinitive plus object to plus by plus subject. You must remember that. Examples: he ordered me to write a letter. In this case, we do not change the infinitive into passive form. I was ordered to write a letter by him. We change the main form with these words. Remember that. Whether there is an object after the infinitive or not. He forced me to make a mistake. I was forced to make a mistake by him. That is passive. Now pattern 6. With agree, propose, arrange, determine, decide, demand plus infinitive plus object. Rules: we use empty subject it. What is empty subject? It does not bring any meaning, any new meaning to the sentence. So it is called empty subject. It plus be verb of the given tense plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. We use those things. That plus object should be plus third form of the infinitive. He decided to buy a car. Main verb is decided. So in the first case, it was, then the third form of the verb, main verb, it was decided by him that a car should be bought. There are two parts. Subject plus main verb is one part, forming one part, and we have to change them into passive first. Then we put that, and after that, infinitive and the object, we change that with should be into passive. Second example, he arranged to meet the minister. It was arranged by him that the minister should be met. So this is, you must remember that there are two parts and you have to separately change them. Now we go to the pattern number 7. Bare infinitive used with verbs like let, make, help, see, hear in the active voice. What is bare infinitive? Bare infinitive means infinitive without to. Rule: simple infinitive is used in the passive. Simple infinitive means to plus verb. Except with let. We do not use simple infinitive to plus verb with let, even in the passive voice. Remember that. Examples: they saw me play. We do not use to with saw, see verb, in the active. I was seen to play by them. Here we use to play, that is simple infinitive, in the passive. We heard her sing a song. She was heard to sing a song by us. To sing, here we use simple infinitive. But if there was let, we do not use simple infinitive. I hope this will help you with your problems dealing with the infinitive voice change. If you go through the rules again and again, you will certainly understand the patterns, 7 different patterns, and they will help you solve any problem, I think. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share or comment.